song. C is for cradle, close your eyes and sing with me. Letters dance in the moon's soft glow, sounds like whispers, soft and slow. Dream of words and sleep, sweet pea. Letters dance in the moon's soft glow, sounds like whispers, soft and slow. Dream of words and sleep, sweet pea. E is for dove, E is for egg. If floating down from the sky, our hoots breeze sound. G is for glow, H is for heart, I is for igloo, ice melts in moonlit light. Gentle streams join the melody. J is for jade, K is for kite, L is for lamb, M is for moonbeam. Rest your head, let dreams begin. Letters dance in the moon's soft glow, sounds like whispers, soft and slow. A dream of words and sleep, sweet pea. Letters dance in the moon's soft glow, sounds like whispers, soft and slow. Oh, PQ stars will sing them back to you. Is for nest, O is for owl, P is for pebble, peaceful now. Your eyelids fall. U is for quiet, Q is for rose, roar. S is for stars, shining where you are. U is for umbrella, V is for violet, violets bloom in the night. Almost whisper with the music box. U is for wombat, X is for xylophone, Y is for yawn. You're cozy and warm with art. Z is for gem, my dear. No more letters, night is here. A, C, dream with me. From A to Z, you found the key. Vest your head, let dreams begin.